Okay guys, it's Kuya Sid along with Auntie Rose,
and Auntie
Edna, Jack and Pepe, Double Pup, and Coca. Coca. Long time no see. It's a sunny, or I'm sorry, it's a rainy Saturday morning here in Arizona. Auntie says we're in the middle of a memorial or a cemetery. With all the bones. So what we're doing right now is Rose is making some salsa. You know, I know everybody's got their own versions of their salsa, but I really like Rose's. So, honey, what do you got?
I've got some kisses, cilantro,
limes,
garlic,
onions,
fire roasted, diced tomatoes,
yeah,
in a can.
It's kind of like a secret thing. Fire roasted tomatoes. Regular diced up tomato.
We're going crazy.
2 of the red onions and a jalapeno. So that's where they're at right there. I'm losing my mind. Pepe and Jack, they've already lost their mind.
Kiss me all the time. Hold me down.
Crazy dance.
Hold me.
And we're also cooking Senegal on this day. And caldereta. And adobo. All in one day?
Yeah.
Just for how many of us?
7.
7.
A kiss.
So
Without
there
the
you go.
background, a kiss.
I just feel like cooking today because it's a lazy day. So
Lazy day.
I'm gonna eat all day, watch movies,
Yep.
just bond.
Hold me.
Rachie and Kai are in the old spare room. They're shutting the door. They think we're freaking out. They can't watch their TV show. So we got Filipino dancing on YouTube channel in the living room. What the heck? I'm gonna just keep this thing going. Let them keep on playing.
Just cut it later.
I'm gonna go get my guitar.
No, just stop. We're your background dancer.
Yeah, just get it. Whenever, wherever. Oh, yeah. Cemetery, memorial.
It's it's in the Caribbean. What do you call it?
Pirate of the
Pirate of the Caribbean. We're in the Pirate of the Caribbean. Oh, y'all be there. Okay.
Come on up here, Pepe. Don't sit in the back.
There you go. There, he's dancing.
Got her, guys. So what Rose is doing is taking all those ingredients and he's getting them going in the food processor
We got the salt and pepper.
and salt and pepper to everybody's taste. So
Yeah, you can always.
the whole thing about
make your
this
own
is to
version.
have fun. That's the main point, is to have fun. Yeah, so remember those fire roasted tomatoes
Yeah, those
in
are
a
the
can.
bomb.
That's
Those
the
are-
bomb. That's kind of like the secret. It takes away the grassy taste that I've noticed.
Oh, you know what? There's some. I forgot to show this one. What do you call it? Pepper.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno pepper.
Yeah, jalapeno all
Jalapeno.
cubed up. Yes. That's right. Yeah, so it's just a rainy day here in Arizona. And we are enjoying it because it is a sight that you just don't see a lot of here.
And we never got to have a day off like all at the same time.
Yeah, and a day off all at the same time. So just trying to take advantage of the moment and just enjoy. So, well, Rose is back there prepping. I'm going to cut it short here. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, so there's your finished product. Really turned out good. So just let me go over those ingredients one more time. It's like we had 1 jalapeno,
Red onion.
red onion,
Fire roasted in a can.
fire roasted
Cilantro.
tomatoes, cilantro,
Garlic.
garlic,
Lime.
lime. Gotta have the lime. The lime is the secret to me ingredient. And yeah, salt and pepper it, you know, and tomatoes. Yeah, the nice romaine tomatoes, whole tomatoes. Cut them in quarters and throw them in there. Do the food processor, and then enjoy. So that's the whole thing about it. So that's what we really like. So we've got Auntie back there. She is back there making spam and eggs, rice. That is the ultimate breakfast: spam, eggs, and rice. So other than that, the day is continuing. We still got more coming up. The sinigang, adobo, caldereta. You got that. So I got two of the best cooks behind me, and we're going to enjoy this day. So if you want to stick around with this day, great. We'd love to have you with us. Give us a thumbs up, give us a share. We'd always appreciate it. Going on this little journey, Fil-Am life. So let's see what they got cooking up next. We're going to enjoy some salsa. We'll be right back. All right, so here you go with the spam, fried eggs, rice, and ketchup.
Yummy.
Delicious, delicious, delicious breakfast. And Auntie did that. So that's one of Josh's. The rain can't get him out of bed. So this is going to be for...
I'm going to add a little twist to it. On it pala. Yeah, a little spicy.
Yeah. So what she just put in there was this Texas Pete's hot sauce, which is like a step down from the Louisiana hot sauce, but a little bit sweet, like a UFC brand hot sauce in the Philippines, which is one of my favorites that I really, really enjoy. So there you go. They're still cooking. What's the next dish that's coming up? Sinigang. That is everybody's favorite dish. So whenever we have a party, sinigang, it's a soup, it's a sour soup. I know it ain't the first time we've done this, and it ain't gonna be the last, but we really enjoy our sinigang. Oh, sinigang ribs. Is that, no, that's pork belly. I don't know. But it's pork. It's the other white meat. So anyway, that's the next dish coming up. So use pork belly, use baby back ribs, whatever kind of pork you guys want, and then boil that baby. So that's what she's getting ready to do. So sinigang is next, coming up on the Kuya Nation. Yes. So without further ado, the Kuya Nation dancers. Enjoy. Going.
After dancing, we're cooking.
Yep, back to cooking. So what's this one?
Caldereta. And sinigang.
Caldereta. Sinigang is still going. We are really making that super tender. And Kai Kai, what do you got going on over here?
Brownies.
We got brownies going on now. And what do we got? Yeah, all the sauce is almost gone. So I would say that was a good batch. Auntie is tuckered out from dancing. She's knocked out. But yeah, so Kai Kai right now is making supreme chocolate chunk brownies on this rainy day. So yeah, we just had a flash flood warning come across the phone. Yeah, it's really weird. It has been raining all day. Really weird for Arizona. The laundry smells like the Philippines. Love it. But yeah, that's really about it. Just the old rainy day. Rainy day. Can't believe it. Kind of cold. No garbage man today, so Shadow's freezing. You freezing, Shay Shay? Huh? Yeah, she's freezing, so. Well, yep, just let you know. We're right on the cooking and stuff, so we'll be right back. So I didn't know that, but Ate Rose already had the mix in the sinigang, so she had the pork and the mamacita's mix, and now she's putting in the Filipino string beans.
Oh, Mimi.
And then she's gonna put the talbos, camote talbos,
And jalapeno.
and a jalapeno, just to give it a little bit of kick.
And I got some
Bok choy
bok choy.
down there too. So, yep, smells good. It is the perfect comfort food for a rainy day.
Excuse me, baby love.
Did you plant the seeds later?
And
Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't.
Rachel's getting the brownies, in which Kai Kai did a little drive-by on the brownies. She mixed it enough so she can lick the mixer or the whisk.
Sawa.
Right.
Sawa.
Yep. So,
I got chocolate.
oh, you got chocolate? The chunks?
Pizza.
Oh, the chunks. I'm gonna get out of the way of the oven here.
That's
They
a
keep
really,
doing that.
really.
Well, you know what? While Rose is doing that, she also like went around, like kept constantly scooping out the junk, the grease,
you know, when
the
you
stuff
boil
that
it?
boil it when you boil it, and it all goes up to the top. She just kept skimming it off
Yeah, that's the caca.
and keeping it clean. So, but
I got the bowl.
now everybody's fighting over the bowl. The old chocolate bowl.
Perfect for a rainy day.
Yep, it is a perfect rainy day. I can't believe it's like noon, and it feels like it's 6 o'clock at night. It's kind of so dark out there. Really weird. Bruce is enjoying the rain.
Yeah, he hasn't had rain in a long time.
I know, huh? Yep.
Or even touched water.
Yep. I know. So in the old caldereta, Rose has got the old beef in there, red onion, potatoes.
You done?
Looks like she's
Sauteing
just
it.
sauteing it.
I'm not done.
This is the lazy way of doing it.
The lazy way.
Yeah, because
What do you
it's all in one pot.
Oh.
One pot
Yeah,
line.
usually when she does this, each ingredient gets cooked separately, and then at the end it all goes together, of course. Yeah, a lot of food cooking today. A lot of food.
Do you like how your work off
So.
Mom?
We're excited for the sinigang because we all want the sabaw or the soup.
Sinigang!